Baiduri Bank started operations in 1994. Since then, the Baiduri Bank Group has grown rapidly to become one of the largest providers of financial products and services in Brunei. What kinds of challenges did the bank face early on, and how did you overcome them?
We are still a young bank. 16 years is very short for the life of a bank. And we have faced the challenges that usually a new bank developing its activities in a country faces. The first one is to find the right people at the right place. Good people who had their expertise in the various fields that we wanted to develop, and it went well. Being a new bank, we had to build up our brand, we had to build up our expertise and to show to our clients, to the people in Brunei, that we were able to provide the right services that they were expecting from us, and to do it well, professionally, efficiently, fast, and responding exactly to their needs. And I think that we have been quite successful in doing that. We have local shareholders and foreign shareholders, and the combination of the two brought us a good expertise to respond to the needs of the Bruneians.
Baiduri operates a mix between corporate and retail banking. What would you say are the factors that contributed to your success in both these segments?
The first comment that I would make is that Brunei, being a relatively small country, though wealthy, it's difficult to operate a bank or to offer banking services in a too specialized segment. We have been able in developing both retail banking and corporate banking to create synergies between the two. I think that we have been able to show to our clients our innovative, creative products, and that definitely helped. We capitalized on e-channels, e-banking. All this created a lot of interest from our clients. We have been always trying to develop a very close relationship, a very personalized relationship with our clients, corporates, in order to identify their needs and to offer them the right product, the right financing for the right duration, at the right rate. I think that is where we have been able to attract them and to retain them, offering them a very personalized service.
Baiduri Finance now has a 70% share of the automobile finance market. It's still a young company, so how did it reach this leadership position in such a short period of time?
First of all, we have been able to penetrate the market at a time when our competitors were a bit weaker or less interested in this segment. So we took the market share at that time. Then we grew it through efficiency, professionalism, and speed. We are able to respond to our clients who need to finance a car extremely fast. And thanks also to the synergies with our corporate banking activities, we have been able to develop excellent synergies and excellent contact with the car dealers who are working with us to satisfy the end client.
Baiduri Bank has played an active role in the development of SMEs in Brunei. Can you elaborate on Baiduri's role in this area?
Baiduri Bank has a key role to play in this area. We are a local bank, and as such, it's not only a part of our business to finance SMEs, but it's also a kind of duty. We do it through schemes which are promoted by the authorities, in which the banks are lending to SMEs at preferential conditions. We also have our own schemes that we offer to SMEs, even if they are not eligible to one of the official schemes. And it's very important for us as SMEs are representing more than 95% of corporates in the country. We want to understand well the needs of the SMEs, but SMEs need also to understand what are the requirements of Baiduri Bank to finance them, to give the bank financials, to show business plan, things like that. And we organize a lot of seminars or training to help SMEs to make to the bank the right proposals which will allow them to access to the financing.
In recent times, Brunei has moved towards a stronger regulatory position. What effect has this had on banking in Brunei?
Definitely a good effect, a positive effect. It's important to give to the customers confidence in the banking system. And all these measures taken to strengthen the financials of the banks have a positive effect, creating more confidence by the customers. The banking system should be strong, and a number of measures which have been taken over years by the authorities to strengthen the financial environment and the banking system have produced very positive effects. Since the capital ratios or capital adequacy ratios have been implemented, we can say that Baiduri Bank has been extremely well performing and had a capital adequacy ratio which was always well above the minimum requirements.
Moving forward then, where do you see Baiduri Bank Group over the next 10 years?
Well, we have grown fast from almost zero. We were 9 staff in '94 when we started. We are now more than 500, among the biggest in the country. Our next objective or target should be to be the first.
Pierre Imhof, thank you.
Thank you very much.